everybody. Our mom just got a couple of ingredients out, and we have Kinetic Sand here and Play-Doh here, and we're just gonna mix it. We can use whatever we want here.
But we can only use a little bit of it.
Yeah, just a little bit.
Where is the shaving cream? Give me the shaving cream. But what do we?
Shaving cream.
Chase, do you want to play with this one?
I'm gonna put the Play-Doh
Hey, Kaylee.
in. Oh my
Tell us what colors you have and what colors you think it will make.
Uh-oh. I have oranges, reddish, and blue.
No, I have blue.
Chase, what colors do you have?
Blue and orange.
Red and golden. Sparkly golden. Should I? I'm not taking
Oh, it kind of feels like slime.
Yeah, that's what we're trying to make. Kind of slimy-ish.
Mommy, what can I do?
Can I use the contact solution?
Yeah.
Brindley, will you help her?
Yeah.
And this is sticky. Oh.
All done? Oh, there we go.
Mix it together.
Oh my goodness.
Is it getting sticky?
It's getting slimy.
Chase, I need some glue. Put it in my hands. I'll tell you when to stop. I need more shaving cream. I put like 1 drop in.
Someone pass me the shaving cream.
That's good. Stop it, Chase.
What's this? What do you do with this?
I don't need any more glue.
Chase, what you got there? Chase.
Okay. Okay. I'm gonna do this. Whoa. This is like fun to play with.
Mom, can I mix it in
Look
there?
at mine. It's not slime. It's still Play-Doh. Mine isn't. Look. Mine is like some ice. Hey, when your hands are dirty and you have to scratch. With chalk, your face gets dirty. If
I just
you
go like
scratch
that.
it. Yeah. That's not really a thing. Oh, I never got some of this.
Ooh, this is so sticky. Give me some glue.
Trace, I'm putting some in here. Wait. You're just gonna put it.
Can I just shake?
Oh, mine is wet.
Hold on, Trace.
Whoa, that is a lot.
No, mine isn't. And mine.
Mine is like purple.
Can I use this apple dance spray thing?
Oh, yeah. It's with borax and hot water. I haven't used I only use Trace! Oh, boy! Trace! You're having fun. Too much drop. 1 drop of this for me. Well, like 17 for me. And some glue?
Yeah.
Thank you. Oh, it's hard to squeeze.
No, mine.
Hold on. This is cool. Like, yeah, you're like. Oh, what if it stretches? That'd be awesome. All of ours are like different, but we all use the same thing.
Hey,
so
Chen, can I use the glue?
that's a lot of glue, Chen.
Oh, it's upside down.
Whoa! It squirted out. Look, it squirted out. It squirted out. I pressed too hard. I guess they're just
getting more
Well, Chase, don't do that. Did you eat it?
Shaving cream?
Did you eat it? Did you accidentally eat it?
Yeah, don't add anything else. Just sit and play with it until all the stickiness goes away. See what it makes.
Mine is slippery. Mine isn't. Because you put way too much shaving cream. Because it squirted out. Could I put glue in? Glue? Sure. Everyone turned out really different. Like, really
Mine's is like reddish, purplish.
Mine turned out.
Mine is like purplish, bluish, brownish.
Mine is like.
Is brown.
No, it's not like brown.
You keep spraying it at me. Spray it a different direction next time.
Okay.
Look, Jason's is kind of slimy.
Ooh.
Mine is mine is like purplish, bluish, kind of like.
So it's like
Kind of like an orange.
Like stickiest.
Sticky
Smells like
is
Play-Doh now, but it's alright.
mine is really sticky. Mine is too.
Mine's like
Mine is
sticky.
purple. Mine is gonna turn purple.
Mine,
Is it slime yet?
yeah.
Mine is slime.
Mine is so sticky. And sparkly.
Oh.
Mine is like it stretches for a sec, but then it breaks. Yeah. Look at mine. Look what mine does. Ready? Oh!
I
Is
see
there
the
any more light
sparkles.
blue anywhere?
The sparkles all over my hand, not really.
I'm gonna pick up most of the crumbs.
Me too.
Everyone's copying me.
We're picking up the table. Well, not actually picking up the table. We're just cleaning
Oh
it.
my goodness, it's like a party.
Whoa.
Is it focusing? Mine's turning lighter.
It's like, since I went like this, it got all the other colors.
Oh, that's bright. Okay, I need one more score of them catching us. That's not the magical stuff. I know. It's the third magical. It's kind of turning like purple. Mine is purple blue.
Purple blue.
Purple blue. Whoa!
Purple Lord.
We've been working on a lot of recipes to make kinetic sand, and there's one thing we learned. We can't make kinetic sand, so we just bought some. Yeah. So let's just start playing. Oh, these are weird. Scissors. Don't say weird. Oh my gosh. Aw, that's cute. Let me twist that around carefully. I need to cut it around. Cut it around.
I have so much kinetic sand that it doesn't even fit in the cake.
That's sad. You can take some out. It's fine. Yeah, you can. I want it to be really full, so I'm packing it up and then.
I don't know why, but this kind of feels like slime, but I don't know why. I've never like ever played with kinetic sand before.
It kind of feels like slime, but it's not. You're like, whoa! Kind of like rips up when you like touch it. You're like, whoa!
Sprinkles! Who wants cake? There's sprinkles on it.
I have an idea. Look, instead of me, guys, instead of me,
another one.
I don't want to do the video anymore. Look, you ready? Da 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 da.
Can I have a minion?
Whoa! Whoa! Look where I sat down. You sat down in the wrong spot.
Yeah.
In the wrong spot.
Her chair tipped over.
Oh,
No, she sat down in the wrong spot.
the wrong spot. I did it lower, too low.
My little snowman, snow woman, whatever. trying to like separate it without breaking my little snowman.
You guys have way more kinetic sand than me.
You have way more kinetic sand than me.
What?
I don't know why I just said that. But it just came out.
Came out of your own mouth.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can I borrow the scissors?
Yes.
Thank you.
Sliding. It's like sliding.
These are tiny.
It's like sliding across a slide. Like this is a slide.
Yeah. True. You're a true doll. Oh no, I squished my little snowman on accident. He's dead.
Yeah, I made my cake.
And it's a golden one too. That's awesome.
A golden cake. A pink cake turning into a golden cake. No. Okay, let me need
I'm gonna make a little snowman again.
sprinkles. No, look, sprinkles.
Ready?
Set. I'm gonna cut a cake up so someone can have a piece.
Can I? Wait.
Turn.
Can I have that piece?
Here.
No. I ruined the cake. Sorry.
It's up and sit. Oh, sorry.
Oh my
Your top
God.
layer.
Ready? This
Look how weird that one is.
This is gonna be like a cake, ice cream cake that's
Mixed together very well. That's mostly blue.
That is cute. Can I try the cake?
Sure.
I need to cut it.
No.
I need to cut all my cake up.
Kaylee can.
Can I have a piece of cake?
How about we both get the top?
It's like raining.
Who wants the top of it?
I will.
I'll have the bottom
will.
of. Okay. Who wants the second piece?
Me.
Me.
I want the second piece. Nom.
Who wants the third piece?
Me. Oh, I am full.
Mostly like having tummy ache.
What'd you just say?
Tummy ache.
Ding, ding, ding. Where's my thumb? Where's my thumb?
Wow. That's amazing. It's like you're like,
This is awesome.
yeah. Out. Whoa. Almost fell out. Whoa. I'm gonna make more, a lot more. Whoa!
And here's my cake.
Oh my goodness, that looks weird. Look at my next one. Oh, it's head broke off. Too bad.
Die.
So it's like this. I want to try
I just killed my cake. I was like, goodbye, baby.
in my cake. I don't know why
I don't know the
just
song.
said that.
And I just
but
smashed it.
It's cool. Make a song.
I'm gonna gather up all my kinetic sand. I'm just gonna grab
Still
it.
not
I'm just
enough.
gonna sprinkle it everywhere.
Everywhere.
Not everywhere. Just like
You're like, woo! And you're like, whoa, whoa.
I'm just like
all over the camera.
that'd be a lot of kinetic. That'd be if I did do it on the camera, which I won't. It would be like blue. You couldn't see anything because you can't see through kinetic sand.
Oh. Who can see through kinetic sand? Me? Look, I can breathe under kinetic sand.
Yeah, it's awesome.
Look, you ready? Look. I'm breathing under kinetic sand.
See this? Yeah. I'm breathing under kinetic sand.
Look, it's a girl and a boy kissing. And the girl is stronger.
Oh, cool! Whoa, that's awesome! This is so soft.
And good. Why did I say good?
It's not like,
Oh, sorry, I hit you.
oh, I thought you were saying like good, like how they made it was good. Like, wow!
Oh, yeah.
Oh!
Scissor. Bye, everybody. We had so much fun playing with this kinetic sand. I just looked through kinetic sand. Bye, everybody. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up.
I'm under kinetic sand.
You're not under it. Wait.
I can see through kinetic sand. Hey, I'm breathing under kinetic sand.
What about in kinetic sand?
Hey everybody! Today, the day we are going to play with kinetic sand. Let's open it up. Oh, it's gonna be fun.
Oh!
Wow! Yeah! Oh, Chase, here's Anna and Elsa. Oh, they're gonna go in the box. And oh, here's the flowers go.
Oh, good.
So we're gonna put
Oh,
it
Chase is
in.
getting it open. You opened that all by yourself, didn't you? Whoa.
Ooh! Okay. I'm gonna work on the cake. Okay.
Chase, do you like that sand?
No.
Do you know how to squish it?
How did Chase open it?
I don't know, he's just drawing.
Mom, can you open it?
Sure.
No, I want the blue one. Okay. Don't want this one. Okay, give that all to me. Mom, open the blue one.
Okay. Let's give all the brown sand to Sierra. Okay. And the blue sand. Chase, what color is the sand? What color is
I
this?
don't know.
Is it blue? Yeah, it's blue. What color is the sand?
Blue.
Good. There we go. Oh, that is so nice.
So I'm not going to work on the brown right now. I'm going to work on the white cake.
Do you guys know it's Anna's birthday? So
Yeah?
that's what this thing is. This is her birthday party. Yeah.
Anna's? See, Chase, look. Oh,
It's Anna's birthday party. So look, we have to set up the box.
oh yeah, it goes like that.
We set up the box like this. Happy birthday, Anna. That's
Mom,
fun.
can you open this?
Yeah, is that the white sand?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's kind of gray.
It does look kind of
On
pretty.
the white one. Chase, you need it.
He's mixing home. Chase, look, we're gonna make a birthday cake. See the picture of the birthday cake? Can we work on a blue birthday cake?
Yeah.
And some snow? The white is the snow. And the blue is the birthday cake. Okay, so we need the blue.
Chase.
Let's see. Here's the birthday cake. Okay.
Chase, give me all the white.
Put it in
I
here.
need that white.
Let's see. We are gonna see if this can make a birthday cake.
Mom,
Okay.
right there, right there.
Ooh, look at that birthday cake. Ooh,
Please.
you like that?
Yeah.
Okay. Put the birthday cake in here. Okay, there's her birthday cake. Where's Anna? Can I see Anna?
Anna. Where?
What happened to Anna?
Anna. Anna's right here.
Okay, Anna, let's see her if she likes her birthday cake. Put it right here.
Mommy.
She's looking at her birthday cake.
She
Oh,
needs
that's gonna stay
flowers.
open. She needs some flowers.
There's the flowers.
Okay. So, Chase, should we make some brown flowers? Or some yellow
Yeah.
flowers? Okay, there's. So we squish it in here.
Okay, Mom.
Fox does not want to stay up.
Okay.
So let's bend it down. Try that. You stick it in here.
There's a hand. I'm squishing it. Yes.
Okay. Okay, Chase, let's see if this made a flower. It did.
There's
There
a
is the
flower. Mom, do this.
Yeah, putting the flower on the cake. Think Anna likes it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, what is Sierra working on?
Mom, I don't know how to pick it up, but
Is it in there?
for good. Oh
Did you make it?
no.
Squish it in and I'll take it out, okay?
Okay.
You be the squisher. Chase, should we make some more flowers?
Yeah.
A little bit of yellowish brown. Let's see. We take it out.
Come on, this one.
It's hard to get out. Sierra, tell me when you're ready for me to grab yours. Oh, there's my other flower. Let's see if Sierra made an Olaf. Oh, you did. Let me pick it up. I'm gonna dust some off there.
Mom, make up.
Look!
There.
Look at
Mom,
that. Wanna see it?
that's Olaf.
Now she has friends to go to the party. There's her friend. Look, there's her friends up there.
But where's Anna in there?
She's right there.
No, Mom,
See.
in the picture.
She's not in the picture because she's down there in real life. See, she's there with her cake. What else can we make?
No, Mom, in the picture. She's
Oh.
sleeping.
How about we make a brown cake too?
Mom, but Anna's sleeping.
Oh, she is? Where's Where's Anna? Where's Elsa? Get Elsa.
Me.
Put Elsa in the party. Should we do a brown cake for Elsa?
Yeah.
Oh, let's see. There is the brown cake. Oh, there we go. Look at that, guys. We got 2 cakes.
Trace, I need that.
Should we do a white cake now, Sierra?
I don't need that, Chase. It's gonna be a beautiful cake. Okay.
Take the pink off. Whoa, it's colorful. You put it in there.
I'm gonna put it right here in the middle.
Oh, it's looking good.
Now, dun, 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 dun. Now I'm gonna put all of this in here. Oh, that's weird. This is gonna be awesome.
Can you get it all? back in. Okay, this is how many birthday cakes do we have now?
1, 2, 3, 4. 4.
Good job.
Now, what should we do?
Now you can tell Anna happy birthday.
Anna, happy birthday. Bye everybody. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Bye.